Bitcoin price is close to breaking out, targeting $17,000 after having its highest daily price close in all of 2020. Well, will Bitcoin overshadow the entire gold market? Microstrategy CEO sure seems to think so. But in this video, I'll also be covering some important danger signs to keep an eye out for. I'm Jessica Walker and welcome back to BeInCrypto News. Microstrategy, the company notorious for purchasing almost $500 million worth of Bitcoin as a treasury asset, is in the news again as their CEO, Michael Saylor, says that the market for Bitcoin will eventually overshadow the gold market. Well, unlike many Bitcoin bulls, Saylor does not think that Bitcoin and gold will be a complementary asset as hedges against inflation. Saylor actually tweeted out that once the Bitcoin dragon emerges from its lair, the first thing it will eat is the kingdom of gold, accompanied by a chart comparing gold versus Bitcoin price. Now, with such massive investments made by both Saylor personally, but also his almost $2 billion company MicroStrategy, it's no surprise that he's so vocally supportive of Bitcoin. MicroStrategy has netted $168 million in profit in barely 3 months since they've made their initial Bitcoin investment. Now, although there's a lot to be bullish about when it comes to Bitcoin, there are a couple of dangerous signs for you to look out for. The Fear and Greed Index is an index measuring the sentiment in the market, and it's reached extreme greed levels following weeks of price increases that have taken Bitcoin prices close to $16,000. Now, this continued unchecked optimism in the market may actually indicate a local price top. As popular crypto YouTuber The Moon Carl has put, we're now topping out any moment now, with an infographic referencing the Fear and Greed Index. Another huge factor in the Bitcoin market will make it aware of the 2050 Satoshi Era Bitcoins that have been consolidated and moved into a wallet now containing over $31.5 million worth of Bitcoin. Now, these coins are from decades-old block rewards that are watched closely by the community, and this consolidation could be the precursor event of all these coins being dumped on the market. A bulk sale of 2050 Bitcoins, along with this increased miner reward outflows to exchanges, could trigger a significant Bitcoin price drop. Also this week, there was a major issue with an Ethereum infrastructure provider, causing huge exchanges like Binance to have to temporarily stop Ethereum withdrawals. While the initial incident was reported to be an issue within the actual Ethereum network itself, possibly a chain split, but it was determined that the company issue was from Ethereum, a company that runs Ethereum nodes on behalf of clients. An outage on Ethereum's side caused a big delay in price information, causing different blockchain explorers to show different information. Well, as much as the space likes to talk about decentralization as a pinnacle of blockchain, this also shows how much danger there is when many users rely on a single entity for node service. One Twitter user jokingly referred to Ethereum's situation as a decentralized single point of failure. Well, it's no surprise Twitter was full of bullish sentiment this week, but here are some of our top tweets from some familiar faces. Max Kaiser seems to be extremely bullish, predicting a Bitcoin price rally all the way up to $28,000. Bitcoin reward platform Lolly has said what most of us are thinking. Does anyone have any good recs for a doctor? I'm so bullish that it hurts. And after a global outage on YouTube earlier this week, Anthony Pompliano took some time to remind all of us YouTube is down, but Bitcoin is never down. Well, finally, we'd like to point out the gigantic bull run we have seen this week amongst DeFi cryptocurrencies. Decentralized finance tokens such as AAVE, YFI, and Uni are all up 120, 105, and 64% respectively on the week. Even SushiSwap is up 45%. LunarCrush, a cryptocurrency social media analytics site, has all of these tokens downtrending on their outranks altcoin social media ranking metric. This decrease in social media presence and engagement, along with recent dips in prices, may indicate that these DeFi coins have hit a short-term price peak. Well, this has been our bi-weekly update on the cryptocurrency market. Tune in again next Tuesday for another crypto recap and join our Telegram trading community to receive free trading signals, free trading course, and consult with experts and much more. I'm Jessica Walker, and thanks again for tuning in to BeInCrypto News.